Good morning and welcome to Virtual Art Camp. Today we're going to be making these cute little snails out of our modeling clay. And what's cool about our snails is that they have a candy striped shell. So let's get started. Find your modeling clay. Open your packages. Now, what you want to do is first choose a color for the base of your snail, okay? For the bottom of him, for his body, okay? I'm going to choose blue. So I'm going to get out my blue. Now, when the modeling clay comes out of the package, it's really stiff and it's really hard. So what you have to do is use your hands to warm up that modeling clay. And it takes a while, but the heat of your hands will warm it up because our bodies are like 98 degrees. So the warmth of your hand, just squeezing that clay, will warm it up. And it takes a while. So be patient. Be patient with it. Rolling it on the table won't make it warm, won't make it soft, because the table's cold. So you really have to squeeze it in your hands. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay, almost there. I can feel it molding in my hand. I can feel it moving. I like to go back and forth between my hands. Okay, he's getting soft now. Okay, so once you have him and he's your body and it's kind of warm, then you can go to the table and you can roll. Roll, 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 roll. We're gonna keep rolling until we get a nice long body. If it starts to get flat on one side, just kind of tip it up, give it a few taps, and keep on rolling. Sometimes if you hear it go thup, 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 that means he's not round. So just kind of keep going on him, keep rolling him. Roll, 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 roll. Okay, he's starting to roll out. Okay, it's getting longer. So now he's gonna press down and really roll. Put some effort into it here. If it's really hard to roll, if you stand up and roll with your body and push down, then sometimes it's faster. Okay, he's looking pretty good here. Okay, so now for his tail, okay, if you see his tail is pointed, okay? So for his tail, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna pull like this. It's a pulling method, okay? So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna pull, try to pull it to a point. There we go. Got a point on him now. Right, there's a point. Okay, now I'm gonna take him. This is gonna be his head. Oop, I got a little piece of yellow on there, so I'll take my finger and I'll pick that off. Close it up so it looks nice, okay? So for his head, what I'm gonna do is take my fingers and I'm gonna pinch it up. Pinch it up. I pinched it up like this, rounded it up. Then I'm gonna take my other two fingers, I'm gonna pinch it forward, okay? So I pinched it up and I pinched it forward to make his head. See that? Okay? So I pulled his tail, I pulled up his neck, and then I pinched his head down. So he looks like that. Okay. Now we're gonna set him aside. Now what you're gonna do is take 3 other colors that you like, okay? And you're gonna cut off little pieces. And in your bag, in your second bag, I put for you a plastic knife, okay? So you need about, let me push the hard. Okay, you need about that much, okay? So there, I'm gonna choose yellow. And now I'm gonna take my paper towel, wipe off my knife. That's just so the colors don't get on the next one. Again, I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna pinch off a color. Okay, my second color. Again, I'm gonna clean my knife, especially now because my last color is white. And I definitely would like to keep that piece of white as clean as I can. So I'm gonna chop that one off. All right. I got it a little dirty, but that's okay. So those are my 3 colors for his shell, okay? 3 colors for his shell. So again, I have to take these and I have to get them as soft as possible. But I worked ahead, okay? So I've got my white pretty soft, got my reddish orange pretty soft, and I've got my yellow pretty soft. So now I'm gonna roll out what we call coils. A lot of people call them snakes, but actually we call them coils. So I'm gonna roll out a coil of each one of these colors. Roll it long and skinny, long and skinny. Okay, there's one. Let me roll another one now. My second color. Roll it out, roll it out. Roll, roll, roll. And we're trying to get it the same length as the first one. So as soon as you get there, so it's the same length, that's pretty good. We have that one. Now we'll do one more. Oop, move these guys over. Stop rolling in my way. Okay. Roll, 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 roll. Again, mine was getting flat on one side, so I have to kind of tap it to get it to roll into a circle. So again, if it's like flat, put it up, tap, tap, tap. Roll it some more, roll it some more. When I was a little kid, I loved Play-Doh. I would spend hours working with Play-Doh. It was my favorite. My favorite. Okay, let's see. How'd I do? Are they about the same length? Pretty close. Okay, so now you're gonna take these 3 pieces of your modeling clay that you rolled out into coils, and you're gonna pinch them together on the sides. You're gonna pinch them, pinch them, pinch them. Okay, so they hold together. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna spin them. Ready, watch. I'm gonna spin them together. Spin, spin, twist, twist, twist. Oh, isn't that fun? This reminds me of those candies that you get on a stick. All right. And I twisted it. But now I'm gonna roll it some more. I'm gonna roll all 3 of those together into one big coil. But it's not very exciting right now. It doesn't have that many twists in it. So look what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it and we're gonna twist it more. Twist, turning to the right with my one hand, towards me, to the left with my other, and I'm twisting it. And the more you twist, the more colors you get, the more swirls you get to show. Oh, that's so fun. Let's do that. Let's roll this out some more. My end's getting a little pointed, so I'm gonna take my finger and push that. I'm gonna push that so it doesn't get so pointed on the ends. I'm gonna roll it some more. Roll it some more, roll it some more. Now, if you don't have that many fun twists in there, all you gotta do is twist it some more. Twist some more. Twist, twist, twist. Look at all those fun swirls like candy canes. All right, I've twisted it a lot. Twist, 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 twist. All right, roll it some more. And I think he's about done. Okay. Now this is fun. I like that. Do you like all my twists? You like all those little swirls in there? Okay, so now, really easy, we're gonna roll it up, okay? So I'm gonna start at one end. I'm gonna roll, roll. Oh, he started to break, but that's okay. I just gotta stop, take my finger, press it in there. If it starts to break, just stop and rub it together. Okay, look at that. That is so fun. On the very end, just take your finger on the clay and just rub it down a little bit just to hold it down, okay? There he is. Now, we can take this and we can attach them together by pressing them into each other like that. And there that is. That's awesome. It looks so good, okay? But now, he can't see. Hello, I can't see. He needs some eyes. So whatever color you want, and it doesn't have to be white, maybe I'll make this guy's eyes yellow. So I'm just gonna take my hand and I'm just gonna pinch off a little piece of that modeling clay and roll it up into a ball. This is really great for our fine motor skills, okay? And then try it out. Try it on. I'm like, is that eye too big? Is it too small? Do I need a little less clay? If you want less, pinch a little bit off. Again, really great for our fine motor skills. Let's try that eye out. Oh, I like that one. I'm gonna press that down. I'm gonna get another piece. I'm gonna roll that into a ball. Look at, I'm using my finger and my thumb. Try that one out. Is it the same size as the other one? Yep, all right. If it's not, takes away some of the modeling clay. Ooh, he is a little bigger, isn't he? Let's pinch a little piece of that off. Pinch a little piece off. Roll it between our finger and our thumb. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and stick it on there. There we go. Now, in your bag, I gave you toothpicks. Uh-oh, hold on. Nope, we'll use these guys' toothpicks. Grab your toothpicks, and we're gonna use these as antennas. So we're gonna stick this straight down. When you go through, make sure you're going into his neck though, okay? So go right down into his neck, and again, right here, right down into his neck. You don't want him sticking out the bottom, because that will be pokey, and that might hurt. So stick them straight down in there, okay? But now, let's put some little balls on top. So again, I'm going back to my old clay. I'm gonna use my fine motor skills, and I'm gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, and then I'm gonna just stick it right on the end. Ooh, be careful, you don't wanna get poked. Put it between my finger and my thumb. Roll, 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 roll. Try to roll on a nice ball. And stick it right on there, okay? Now, if you want eyeballs on him, the easiest way to do it is to grab your Sharpie and make a little dot on one side and a little dot on the other side. And there he is. All right, there is our finished swirly shell snail. Good luck with yours. I hope it comes out amazing. And if you get a chance, share it with us. Show us what it looks like. Okay? Awesome.